Hey guys, Nana Kunama here, helping you create an authentic life you love. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fit a wellness routine into a busy schedule. I'll be going over 4 step-by-step strategies on how to fit a wellness routine into a busy schedule. I actually shared these same tips at my masterclass with numerous people reporting that they found it very, very helpful. At the end of this video, you will know exactly how to incorporate a wellness routine into a busy life schedule. So if that sounds good to you, then I invite you to keep watching. So step 1, you want to make a plan. And to make a plan, the first thing that you will want to do is to figure out what exactly do you want out of your wellness routine, right? If it's physical wellness, then you probably want to focus on building some type of exercise routine. If it's focus that you want to build for your day, then you might want to consider meditation, yoga, or both. I always suggest to people, start with where you are, start with what you know. Right? That's the only way it's going to stick. The only way it's going to stick is when you're doing something that you already know, that you already find fun and interesting. So don't try to reinvent the wheel here when we talk about fitness routines. We all know that certain things make us feel better. For some people, it's walking, running, biking, or even painting a picture. So focus on the things that already bring you peace and well-being and start from there. Once you know that, I suggest to then build a morning checklist. Now, this is very, very important because your morning will set the scene for the rest of your day. It's no surprise why a lot of wellness routines actually start in the morning, because it literally just helps you set up your day. If you need more inspiration or information on what exactly should go on your morning routine checklist, you can check out my YouTube video of my healthy morning routine. The link will be right below in the description box. And you can click it, you can watch and see how I've built a healthy morning routine and hopefully use that to motivate you and encourage you to build your own morning checklist. Step 2, schedule it, right? We've all heard that if you want to remember something, write it down. Now, if you want to build a lasting habit, a sustained habit, schedule it. Schedule it next to all the important things you need to do for the day. And as you do it more and more, and remember to do it more and more, it becomes a habit and you don't have to schedule anymore. But to begin a wellness routine, or any routine for that matter, you want to begin by scheduling. Schedule it consistently so that you always deem it as something important that you return to. Step 3, take advantage of valuable downtime. Now, there's a lot of valuable downtime that we actually let go to waste, right? And one of them is the time between when you wake up and actually start getting dressed for your day. Like, a lot of us don't, just rush straight into the shower. There's usually some tiny bit of grace period that we might spend checking our social media, right? I think most of us go straight to our Instagram, our Facebook, we go straight to social media. Well, that is time we can actually use towards our health and wellness. And a lot can be done in these little snippets of time that we let go to waste. My favorite piece of downtime is actually during my morning commute. I use this time to pray or meditate or listen to some audiobook or podcast to just get my head and my focus right and ready for my day. A lot can actually be done in small snippets of time. For instance, right, a full sequence of yoga, which is really just 3 full rounds of sun salutations, is only 11 minutes. That means if you budgeted like 10-ish minutes a day to work on your health and wellness, you can actually do an entire yoga sequence, right? So what are some moments of downtime we can take advantage of? I want to know what you guys think. If you can think of some, go ahead and drop a comment below to get the conversation going. I would like to see, hear, and read some moments of downtime that you all have identified as valuable that we can take advantage of. Step 4, join a tribe. Listen, having accountability partners really helps take you to the next level. Trust me, I know, okay? My running partner, who I'd ran 2 major races with, left the country, and when she left, I literally could not even run anymore because there was nobody to keep me going. There was nobody to keep the accountability going. That is why it's very important to meet like-minded people like yourself who are pursuing similar goals, to be able to build accountability for one another. So you can do this by joining a yoga studio. There are many right here in Accra. If you're in Accra, in whatever city you live in, I'm sure you can find a yoga studio. Or join a gym, right? And make friends at the gym and keep going and keep connecting. You can also join our private Facebook group, which is filled with like-minded people just like you who are working on their health and fitness journey, who are looking to use wellness as a tool towards success in life, business, and pretty much everything. So go ahead and click the link below. It's in the description box to find out more and to join our Facebook group. It's private, it's a safe space, so you can be completely honest and open and meet people who are like-minded yourself who are on this journey. So now you know how to fit a wellness routine into your busy schedule. You're welcome. If this video was helpful, share the link, share it to your friends, show it to people, and also click the subscription link and also like it, so it helps me know that this is the kind of content you all want to see from me, and I can make more content that is of value to my audience. Also, be sure to visit nanakunama.com where all the fun happens. And if you'd like to receive messages directly into your inbox from me every single week, please go ahead and subscribe to our mailing list. So once again, this is Nana Kunama, helping you create an authentic life you love. And I'll see you in the next video.